Okay, so look, when it comes to finding a trusted business or a service provider, we often stick to recommendations from our friends, be it a daycare for your kid or a place to stay in a new city. First thing you do is call that one expert friend who can help you find it. But many a times, you don't know who that friend is. No one has the time to call everyone in their friends list. Obviously, there are review websites, but they have many businesses listed, each with hundreds of reviews and most of them conflicting in nature. Like this guy who gave 1 star and thinks it's the worst, and this guy who gave 100 stars and thinks it's the best thing on the planet. You also don't personally know these reviewers, and you don't know if these reviews are real or fake, leaving you totally confused and with lots of lost time. The question is about trust. Which one would you trust? A business recommended by an unknown person or a business recommended by a friend you know?
The folks at Turing Research decided to do something about this and created GoRefer. GoRefer is an intelligent system that brings all your contacts on social networks, phone book and office networks into one place and helps you quickly find businesses and service providers which your contacts have used and recommended.
No matter if you are looking for a car service place under $500 or an interior designer under $50,000 or an ortho doctor for your mom, which is priceless.
GoRefer analyzes all your contacts across networks and suggests experts for each of your needs, allowing you to get the right recommendations instantly. Discovering right businesses have never been so much fun and easy. GoRefer is all about people you know and businesses they trust. Join today.